Energy is being reused in a new and better form. The energy is being reused in a new and better form. Can you feel that the room is lighter? Okay, so now we're going to do the collective, global, national ones. And we're going to make some noise on these. So I'm going to read them a few at a time. We'll do 4. John's going to do 4 burnings. And if you would do a little of, like on the back of your pews or something. So we're burning right now hurricanes, fires, and floods. It's not going. All right, keep it going. We are now burning racism, sexual harassment, the opioid crisis. We are burning tension with North Korea, massacres, terrorism around the world. Go, John, go, John. And now we're burning the political divide in the United States. Tensions in the Middle East. And go for it. If you anything else, shout it out. If I forgot something, put it in. I'm sure I did.
1